Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Automotive. Today we have the 2020 Chevrolet Tahoe RS. We just got this one in off the truck, I think today, and I had somebody comment asking for the Tahoe RS, and here it is. This one is based off of the Premier trim, so this one's pretty much fully loaded. As you can see, it has the blackout pack, so you have black Tahoe, black Chevrolet badge. Here's your RST logo. Let's take a look at the sticker on this one. So this one's the four-wheel drive, 5.3 liter Ecotec V8, which has cylinder deactivation. So when you're cruising on the highway, it will go into four-cylinder mode, help save some fuel economy. This one is finished with black as the exterior color, obviously, and cocoa and mahogany interior. Really beautiful interior on this specific Tahoe. Some of the options, like I said, it's based off of the Premier trim. So you have the Sun Entertainment and Destination package, which includes your power sunroof, rear seat entertainment, and an additional 9 months of XM radio. This is the RST edition, which comes with the black bow ties, front and rear, these upgraded wheels. It also has the wheel locks, and then the cocoa and mahogany was $295 additional. All in all, this one comes to $72,430. Not bad for what you consider what you're getting in this car. Basic Chevrolet key fob. Not so basic Chevrolet interior. Very, very pretty in here. Do have the third row. Like I'm going to say in the drive, if you require more space, I was trying to see if we have one in here. I don't think we do. You can opt for the Suburban, which extends the back out by a little bit, and you can do that. As stated before, this has the rear seat entertainment pack, so you have your TV screen right here, LED lighting, and now we'll hop into the front. Bose sound system is featured here. Nice Chevrolet kick plate. You do have running boards, which is really nice. And now we're inside. Really, really upscale interior. Here is your wireless charger. Put your phone here. Charges. These are all finished in beautiful leather. Let's turn the power on. Don't want to have it dinging at me the whole time. So here's all your center infotainment system. This one is in demonstration mode. It's probably going to yell at me in like 2 seconds. You have your rear climate. You can turn that on and off once the vehicle's on. Nice little storage compartment with a USB charger. Really easy to use infotainment system. You have OnStar, of course, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, everything you would ever need. Sound system is absolutely spectacular. No complaints on that front. Nice sunroof as part of the Sun Entertainment package. Rear mirror, so you can see your rear passengers. Sunglasses holder. Good amount of lighting here. So you can see tons of rearward room. Moves really well. Absolutely spectacular. So let's go ahead and go for a drive. Alright, and now onto the drive of this 2020 Tahoe. So far, I really like it. No complaints whatsoever. Everything's really, really quality. Yeah. Really, really nice in here. Very similar to the Suburban, because pretty much the Tahoe is just a shortened Suburban. You also have power pedals. So say you have really, really short legs and you don't want to sit up close to the wheel, you can bring the pedals all the way forward. Or if you have super long legs, you can bring the pedals all the way back. Overall driving experience is absolutely fantastic. I have no complaints whatsoever except for where the factory places the window sticker on the passenger window. Don't know why they do that, but just put the window down, you can see fine. The wheel feels excellent in your hands. The way the leather feels and how all the touch points are is really, really nice. Everything up here is all soft touch. Even these little cubbies are soft touch material. You have ventilated seats, which are awesome. I love this interior color. It is absolutely fantastic. It's really the same color as a baseball glove, and it feels just like a baseball glove. It is absolutely fantastic. These seats are super comfortable for long distance drives. And what's nice is if you require way more room than what this already offers, then you can upgrade to the Suburban and you have the same basic truck. That is a ingenious idea on General Motors' part. The powertrain's very refined. It's not focused on being sporty. It's very luxurious. That's what this one's going for. It's not like the Trailblazer SS way back in the day. That thing was a rocket. However, I mean, you're not down on power. This still has plenty of it. More than you would ever need on a day-to-day basis. The ride is excellent. No complaints there whatsoever. Very, very complacent. Over some bigger bumps, it's nice and calm. Seats are really all adjustable to exactly what you want. You can increase, decrease bolstering, the lumbar. As you can tell, it's nice and quiet, very refined, not a lot of outside noise in the cabin. So even through this rough patch, tell it rides really, really well. Alright, thank you for watching this video, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.